Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to build a simple but powerful CRM in Excel from scratch, like the headers, the drop downs, currency fields, automatic summaries, and a live dashboard with charts. So we will be building how you can set up your project sheet to capture the leads or the clients, and then a dashboard sheet that counts the total, shows you the status breakdowns, and update the charts automatically when you change the data. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have an Excel account yet, you can just use the affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some discounts on Excel too. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Excel application. Then when you open it, you will see the blank workbook option. So make sure that you select the blank workbook. Now this is going to be your first row where you will have to basically add these columns. First of all, we will be adding the project number, then we have project name, then we will be adding owner, status, cost, email address, phone number, priority, and notes. So our row 1 is going to look something like this. Over here, you need to basically select your first row. Then with the help of this bold icon, you need to make the icon bold. Then you can add the color over here. So if you click on the color section here on the top, by default the yellow color will be there, but you can also select any of the other colors too. For example, let's say if I select this one, it is looking perfect. Now after selecting them all, make sure that you center the header too so that it could look perfect. Now you can also resize the column by double clicking on this particular icon here on the top. I've already done it, and you can also do the same. Currently the font size is 20, so it will look good. Now you need to rename the sheet. So here in the bottom you will see the sheet 1. Simply right click on it, then click on the option of rename. Over here we can give the name as projects. Then you need to click on the plus icon right next to the sheet, and it is going to create a sheet 2. Over here in the sheet 2, you will have to basically change its name to, here we are going to give it a name as dashboard. So now the tip here would be to freeze your header so that it always stays visible. For that you need to simply go to the view section. Over here you are going to see the option of freeze panes, so you can select the option and you can freeze your row. So once this step is done, you need to just simply hop on to the second step, in which you need to click on the A2 cell. Over here you need to type 1. After that in the A3 cell simply type 2. Now it is going to look something like this. You need to select now 1 and 2. Here you will see this type of plus icon. So you need to click on this plus icon and drag the handle so that it could fill the range. It will be like from 1 to 20, let's say. So I'm gonna be keeping it as 20. So you need to do it, and it will automatically going to show you the numbers in the project number. So you can extend it anytime. For that you will have to just select 2 cells at a time, and then you can just simply drag and drop it something like this. Now we have 20 project numbers here in the list. Now we need to convert the range to a table. For that you need to click anywhere in your data area. After that you need to press Ctrl plus T. Just make sure that my table has a header is checked. Now simply click on the option of OK. Now we have all the filters, like as you can see them over here. We have the alternate row shading, an easy way to expand the CRM as it grows. Now we are going to be creating a drop down list. For that you need to simply select your status column. Apart from the status cell, you need to select it something like this. Now simply go to the data, and here you will find the option of data validation. When you click on the option of data validation, it will show you this type of pop-up in front of you. Over here in the allow section, any value will be selected. So click on the drop down menu and select the list. After that, in the source, you need to simply type something like this. So it is new, ongoing, completed, on hold, and lost. Now once you have done that, simply click on the option of OK. And now every status cell has a clean drop down, which you can see over here. And when you click on it, you will see we can select whether the project is ongoing, whether it is on hold, whether it is lost, or whatever it is. So if the header also shows you a drop down menu by mistake, you can just simply click on the header cell, and then you can go to the data validation and you can select the option of any value and then simply click on the option of OK. Now we have the priority list as well. So simply go to the priority section. Then apart from the priority, simply select this particular column. Then we have the data validation option. So click on the data validation again. Now in the allow section, simply select list. Here in the source, you need to add these sources. So I'm going to be adding urgent, high, medium, low, and then simply press OK. Now we have a drop down menu in the right hand section, so you can select it something like this. Now we will be taking a look at formatting the money and the contact fields. For that, you need to simply select the cost column without its header. After selecting it, go to the home page. Over here, you need to simply go to the number format. Here, you just have to click on the drop down menu and select the currency. Now, if you need a different type of symbol, you can also select the option of more accounting formats and you can pick your own currency. For this video, I'm going to be selecting dollars. Now you can leave the email and the phone as general or the text so that Excel doesn't try to auto format the long numbers. Now we will be adding a few simple rows as well. So you can enter 5 to 10 example records so that we can test the dashboard. For example, here in the project name, you can add the name of the project. For example, here if I add YouTube ads edit, and if I add the second entry as seminar promo, and if I just copy it over here, then in the owner you can add further data. So select who is the owner. We have added these two names. After that, you don't need to make changes into the status because we have already done it. In the cost, you can enter the amount as we have added over here. Then in the email, in the phone number, simply select the phone number and the email of the person and select whether the task is in the high priority or if it is urgent or if it is medium. You can also add the notes if needed. Now, because we are using a table, every new row automatically inherits the formatting and the validation. So this way, basically, you will be able to create CRM using your Excel. It is quite simple, clean, and it grows with you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the important videos that we post here on the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.